All right, so take two. This is Gertrude, our newest project, a 94 Safari van that is all-wheel drive. Kind of a rarity for her. Here. Oh yeah, that's the money shot. There's some pretty decent tires on it already, but we're gonna go ahead and do some slightly oversized all-terrain tires. It's the interior. We just picked this up. We have done nothing to it yet. We got to swap out the battery and everything. Essentially, we jump started it from where we bought it, and this thing cruised for about an hour and a half on the freeway to get back over here. So overall, pretty good. Got a few things we got to address in here. Definitely has some vacuum leaks. Seems like some exhaust leaks and just some overall oil leaks. Doesn't look like it's really had anything done to it, at least not anything recent. So not too bad. We're going to go ahead and clean it up. We're going to go ahead and reseal everything, make it all really nice for her new home when she finds one. This one is the little more powerful engine option that they offered for them. It's the MPI 4.3 liter engine. The other one, the base option, at least for these ones, was a TBI 4.3, which is a simpler setup, but these make a decent amount more power than those ones, so definitely helpful, especially being the all-wheel drive setup. This one, they did remove the AC compressor and did a bypass pulley. We're gonna go ahead and fix all that so it does have working AC again. We're gonna go through and just clean up everything, inspect everything, make sure everything is up to par on what it should be, make sure it's all running good, check out all the suspension, the brakes, and everything. We'll show you everything we dipped into, or are going to dip into on this one. But overall, it's fairly nice. Needs a lot of cleanup and everything, but it's really unmodified, which is nice. No one's really tried to mess with this thing at all. Just drove it. So this thing did sit for a couple years before we picked it up, so we'll be going through, like I said, doing all the services and everything. And then they were using it kind of more of a work cargo van, so all the seats were already pulled out of it, which we're not really worried about because it's going to be more of a van life build anyways. So and this one did also have the rear air option, which is pretty nice. We may end up going through and doing some type of a rooftop fan as well, but we'll see. It does have the side pop-out windows, so that's excellent for some airflow. And it does have the double Dutch doors in the back, so it does have the mini hatch that comes up and then the dual swing outs. Overall, after some cleanup, it will be really nice. A really straight body. There's a couple things that just need to be gone over. It's because of its age. I mean, it's a 94, so already has some roof rack stuff on it. Some of that will probably take off, not sure yet. Can do a different setup on it, but this is just our first look into on it. We do have a new battery for it, so we're going to go ahead and get that swapped out and get this thing started again, and so doing our full evaluation on what all we need to get to it to bring it all back up to par.